Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to remove pinned apps from Windows 11 quickly and easily. So let's get started. So firstly, click on the Start menu on your taskbar. Now you will see all your pinned apps at the top. To remove any app, simply like I want to remove Screen Expert, simply right click on it. Then here you will see unpin from start, click on it. It will instantly removed. That's it. If you want to remove multiple apps, repeat the same step for each app. Unpin from start, it will instantly unpin successfully. You can also rearrange pinned apps, like you can drag this to another position. That's it. That's how you can remove pinned apps from Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.